Come here, Caleb. Come here.
Oh, man.
Caleb, you gotta come to me. Good job. Oh, Alright, ready? Ready to walk? You gonna walk? You did it!
Good job! Good boy!
Go to mama.
Okay,
Come.
come here. Oh, wait, here, let me scoot a little bit closer.
It's alright.
Come
there
here.
You go.
You're going the wrong way.
You gotta turn.
You coming over here. Okay.
Come on.
Come here.
There you go.
Where you going? Here, hold on.
He just wants to cruise here. It's like one of those little bobbly. You still recording?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, ready to see Daddy?
Let's see that footwork. Let's see that footwork. Come here, Caleb. Oh, there you go. Good job. Good job. You're right. Yeah, you did good. You did good.
Good job.